So what if I told you there's an AI super agent out there that can help you automate and run different parts of your business and side hustle? Well guys, I'm super excited because in this video, I'll show you guys the brand new i10X Superagent and how you can leverage it to grow your business, land more clients, and ultimately make more money. If you're interested in actually using AI to grow your business, this is definitely the video for you, and I'll be sharing tons of cool features and actual real life use cases you can use and copy as well. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. So guys, i10X is actually an AI workspace that I've covered plenty of times before on the channel, and it's actually the tool I'm using right now to power a bunch of my different online businesses. I mean, right now I'm using i10X to create all of my content. I'm using it for my affiliate marketing business, and guys, this thing is packed with features. I mean, i10X can help you conduct deep research. It has an awesome SEO content feature that also builds blog posts and content just from basic prompting that I absolutely love. i10X can also generate images and really high quality videos. And i10X also lets you pick between leading AI models to use for each task, so you never have to juggle between tools and pay for dozens of subscriptions. Like I said guys, i10X, I've covered it a bunch of times on this channel, and it's how I'm powering all of my content businesses right now. But what's really exciting is that i10X just rolled out its Super Agent feature, and this thing is packed with features and use cases, so I wanted to make a video about it as well. I'll also be linking this new Super Agent tool down below in the description box and pinned comment, and you can actually get 50% off right now for your first 2 months when you use the code TOM50 at checkout, and this also helps support the channel, so thank you guys in advance. But let me show you how this thing works, because guys, it is super impressive. And so once you sign up for i10X and log into your dashboard, you'll see the Super Agent option at the top of the dashboard. And really, i10X's Super Agent is basically an always-on cloud-operated AI agent that can plan, research, and execute tasks for your business. And really, it's kind of like having this AI employee for you who just works around the clock. And that's really the key here, because i10X's Super Agent works even when you're away from your computer, even when you shut down your laptop or computer, because it's hosted on the cloud. Getting started is also very simple. You basically name your Super Agent if you want, and you give it a bit of context about yourself and your business goals. From there, you're basically ready to put Super Agent to work. So let me show you guys my account and some of the best use cases I've seen, because guys, this thing has tons of options available. It's super flexible and it's super fun to use. So guys, the first kind of use case I wanted to cover, and one of the best ways you can start using Super Agent, is to use it to help your content marketing efforts. And that's because Super Agent can actually scan your entire website and company, analyze your competitors, and then find gaps in the market or gaps in your content that you can take advantage of to potentially get more traffic and get more customers. And guys, it's actually pretty insane. For example, I gave Super Agent one of my main niche websites, thebudgetdiet.com. I then gave it this prompt: please analyze my niche website, The Budget Diet, and give me an SEO content report. I want to know specific content gaps and article ideas I'm missing, what my competitors are doing better, and areas of improvement I can focus on this quarter. Once I gave Super Agent this prompt, I went for lunch, I started answering some other emails, taking care of some other business in my own personal life, and when I came back, i10X's Super Agent had this complete report ready for me to dive into. And so the first thing that's really cool here is normally you would have to pay for really expensive SEO tools or pay someone to do this for you if you don't have any SEO knowledge, but now you can just use Super Agent and it will collect all of this really valuable data for you. And secondly, I like that it actually has actionable items for me to take this quarter. It's not just giving you kind of vague data or vague suggestions, it is doing deep research, getting you meaningful data, and now you have some actionable steps to take to improve your content marketing efforts, which I think is so cool. Now, a second use case I wanted to highlight really quickly is to use i10X's Super Agent to basically build presentations and pitch decks, which is another really underrated use case in my opinion. And so again, it doesn't matter if you're in college or you make presentations for your day job or you're a freelancer who's pitching clients, making presentations used to take so much time. It is such a bottleneck for a lot of individuals and businesses. And guys, now you can use i10X's Super Agent to do all of the heavy lifting for you. I mean, all you have to do is give Super Agent a bunch of material you've been working on, like files, photos, and documents, and then have it create presentations for you. And it's really simple to use. For example, recently I've been working on a new Reddit project with a business partner, and we're kind of onboarding some affiliates and some people to help us. So I wanted to put together just a simple slideshow, pitch deck style, to present to people as we're onboarding them for this project. I spent time writing out my ideas on a Google Doc, and then I just dumped all of my files and images to Super Agent and told it to make me a comprehensive pitch deck. Super Agent got to work, and about 15 minutes later, I had this Reddit marketing pitch deck that I could now use when I hop hopped on calls with people. Again, guys, this is so much faster than trying to build this yourself, and it's also way cheaper than paying someone on Fiverr to kind of design all of these slides for you. And if you're a student, if you're in college or high school and you have to make presentations for all of your classes, again, this is way faster. It is a massive time save. Okay, guys, and a third super powerful use case I wanted to highlight in this video is to use i10X's Superagent for lead generation for your business. And really, if you're an agency or you're a freelancer or you're just selling any kind of service, this can be so incredibly powerful for how quickly you acquire leads and prospects. And a huge part of this is because i10X, again, can conduct deep research. So you can kind of treat it like a sales agent or someone doing scouting for your business and just tell it to find qualified leads that you want to pitch. For example, let's say you offer a website design service or website optimization service. You can tell Superagent to prospect a particular city for businesses that have outdated website or no website connected to their Google business profile. You can then ask it to collect a list of names, website addresses, phone numbers, and emails, and boom, you now have a list of leads you can begin contacting to pitch your services to. Superagent and i10X can even create the email copy and template to reach out to these potential clients if you want. So again, it streamlines everything and saves so much time. And guys, this is just one example in one niche. Of course, depending on the service you're selling, you'll give i10X's Superagent different instructions to go out and find qualified leads for you to start pitching. And again, that's really kind of the thinking cap you have to put on. Treat i10X's Superagent like an employee for your business that you can delegate tasks to, leave it alone. It will come back with some pretty cool results. You have to get creative, but guys, this thing is honestly super cool. Anyways, guys, those are just 3 particular use cases I thought of for i10X's Superagent, but again, this thing has a ton of potential. And again, the real value here is to treat this like a full-on employee who works around the clock 24/7. Throw tasks at it, get creative, and leverage it to save time and money for your business. This is really the main selling point of Superagent. It can help you automate tasks, win back more of your time, and ultimately scale way faster and more efficiently. Now, like I said, those are just 3 use cases I came up with, but I want to highlight another couple of use cases and features really quickly that stood out to me as being pretty valuable. And the first is, again, that i10X's Superagent runs in the cloud. So it runs even when your computer is shut off, even when you're out shopping for groceries or you're driving to work. It can work in the background, which again helps you automate a lot of tasks and work more efficiently. And the second thing I really like about i10X's Superagent is that it never sends emails or publishes anything or does an irreversible action without checking with you first. And this is really important, guys, because there's actually plenty of horror stories out there of people who start experimenting with AI agents or automation and then something breaks because the agent pushes something live that it really wasn't meant to. I love this feature. Yes, it does add a little bit of an extra step, but it's good to have this safety rail on because again, otherwise you could get into some pretty serious trouble. Now, a third thing I absolutely love, especially from just a workflow efficiency perspective, is that everything is just built into i10X's dashboard and platform. You don't have to juggle between a dozen different tools, a dozen different tabs. You can give Superagent tasks to run. It will run those tasks and complete them, and you just manage everything from one central dashboard. And finally, the fourth thing I really like is that Superagent gives you one simple price per month and explains how many credits tasks take. This means you know exactly what you're spending and you're not going to get hit with some crazy bill out of the blue at the end of the month. But okay, guys, who should ultimately be using a tool like i10X's Superagent? Well, in my opinion, there's several groups of people who could honestly really benefit from trying out an AI agent like Superagent. This includes groups like content marketers or affiliate marketers, anyone running an agency or service-based business, people looking to automate tasks at work or for school to save more time, and anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve with AI tools and to stay competitive in the job market. Again, guys, Superagent is really powerful, it's really versatile, and really its only limit is how creative you actually get with it. I think it's absolutely worth paying for. i10X has really helped me grow my own businesses, and again, the amount of time it saves you is immense and super, super nice. Now, speaking of pricing, let's get into it and cover i10X's different plans so you guys kind of know what to expect here. So currently, i10X has 3 plans you can choose from, and each plan gives you a certain number of monthly credits. So again, you know exactly what you're paying for and what you can do. Now, what's also nice is that every single plan includes Superagent, so it's not like you have to pay for some really expensive tier to actually unlock this. Every plan includes it, so again, it's very easy for you to forecast your spending and to know exactly what you're getting. Now, the Essential plan starts at $20 per month when billed monthly, or just $10 monthly when billed annually. And then there's also the Plus plan that's only $35 per month when billed annually. And so my suggestion is to start with either plan so you can get Superagent from day one and can begin automating elements of your business and daily tasks. And again, guys, this is way more affordable than paying for a bunch of different tools and AI platforms independently. I've done the research, you can do it as well. If you try and buy an SEO tool, a content marketing tool, a productivity tool, you're going to be spending a lot every single month. So again, I like that it's kind of all consolidated here. Like I said, I also chatted with i10X's team, and they're going to give people 50% off their plan for the first 2 months if you use the code TOM50 at checkout. Like I said, I'll be linking i10X down below in the description box and pinned comment for you guys to check out. And again, thanks for using the code. It does help you save some money, and it does help support the channel. So thank you guys in advance. But yeah, the Essential or Plus plans are both great ways to get started, and you can scale all the way up to the Pro plan if you want way more credits. And again, what's nice is that the plans tell you exactly how many tokens you get, so you won't be hit with surprise bills at the end of the month. You know exactly what you're getting. But anyways, guys, that does it for my i10X Superagent review and tutorial. And honestly, guys, I've mentioned i10X a bunch of times on this channel, and frankly, I really like experimenting with different AI tools and platforms because they remove barriers to entry. They let people start side hustles, they help people save time and money, and they help people scale faster, which is all really cool to see. Again, I feel comfortable talking about i10X on this channel because I use it for my own businesses. I think it can help you guys out as well, whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, you're just side hustling, or even if you're a student looking to work more efficiently. Hopefully this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you guys down below. I read every comment, I try to respond to as many as I can, so let me know what you think. Like I said, I'll be linking i10X down below for you guys to check out as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.